Money is by nature gold and silver, refining precious metals. In context, key figure Croesus, king of Lydia, reigned from 560 to 546 BCE. Before, circa 7000 BCE, Neolithic communities began hammering copper into tools. One of the earliest examples are found in eastern Anatolia, modern-day Turkey. Circa 3000 BCE, the earliest surviving gold jewelry is in use in Egypt. After, circa 300 to 500 CE, tumbaga, an alloy of gold and copper, is widely used in Panama and Costa Rica for small ornaments and regalia. 1867, Francis Bowyer Miller invents a process using chlorine gas that refines gold to a purity of 99.5%. The first metals worked by humans were copper and gold. 8,000-year-old copper beads have been found in northern Iraq, and gold may have been used for decoration earlier. By 4000 BCE, several metals were in use: copper, gold, and silver, all found in their native states and relatively easy to obtain, and lead, iron, tin, and mercury, which were extracted from mineral ores by smelting. Native metals were not always pure. In the late 7th century before Christ, the Lydians in Anatolia recovered electrum, a pale natural alloy of gold and silver from river sands, and used this to produce coinage. In the 6th century before Christ, King Croesus of Lydia introduced the world's first gold coins of a standardized purity. The Croesus coins were refined, purified gold achieved by beating the electrum flat and placing it in earthenware pots between layers of salt. When heated to a temperature melting the gold into a temperature below the melting point of gold for several hours, the silver in the electrum reacted with the salt to form silver chloride. This was absorbed by carrier clay, such as the furnace bricks and pottery containers, leaving behind almost pure gold. To recover the silver, the carrier clays were smelted with copper or lead. The silver was then separated from the other metals by cupellation. This involved heating the alloy in bowls, using bellows for a high temperature. The copper oxide or lead oxide formed was absorbed by the cupel, and the silver was isolated and used for more coins.